What if one AI tool could help build websites, create presentations, generate videos, write reports, and even automate workflows, all from a single prompt? In this video, we will review Runable AI, its features, pricing, and whether it's worth using in 2026. Introduction. Runable AI is an all in one AI agent designed to complete tasks instead of just answering questions. Rather than switching between multiple AI tools, you simply describe your goal, and Runable plans these steps, uses the right tools, and delivers the finished result. Key features. Here are the biggest reasons people are using Runable AI. AI agent automation. Give it a goal like build a landing page or create a sales presentation, and it handles the entire workflow automatically. Website and app builder. Create and deploy websites with databases, analytics, custom domains, and payment integration using natural language prompts. Content creation. Generate presentations, reports, documents, images, videos, and social media content from one workspace. More than 3,000 integrations. Connect with popular apps and automate tasks across different platforms. Multimodal AI. Access leading AI models like GPT, Cloudy, Gemini, Grok, and DeepSeek without subscribing to each service separately. Overall, Runnable focuses on completing entire projects rather than just generating text. Pricing. Runnable offers two main paid plans, Pro and Max. Pro includes 25,000 monthly credits, and the Max has 150,000 monthly credits, higher limits, and priority features for heavy users. Note, annual billing provides additional savings. Pros and cons. Pros. One platform for many AI tasks, automates multi step workflows, access to multiple premium AI models, great for creators, freelancers, and businesses, easy to use with simple prompts. Cons. Credit based pricing may become expensive for heavy users. Some advanced tasks still require reviewing the AI's output. New users may need time to explore all available features. Is it worth it? If you are paying for several AI tools separately, Runnable AI can be a cost effective alternative by combining multiple capabilities into one platform. It's especially useful for marketers, entrepreneurs, content creators, and anyone who wants AI to complete tasks instead of simply assisting with them. However, if you need only a chatbot for occasional writing or brainstorming, a standalone AI assistant may be enough. That is our review of Runnable AI in 2026. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know down below in the comments whether you would replace your current AI tools with Runnable. Thanks for watching and goodbye.